Hi, welcome to the Fall Prevention Ladies Neck Exercise Routine. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to get nice and tall, sit nice and tall, back of the head is up towards the ceiling, chin is slightly down, and your chin is tucked back. So your eye sockets are behind your collarbone. All right, with our chin nice and level, seated tall, we're going to turn your head to the right. Find a vertical target. Bring it back into center. Left, center. Right, center, left, center, right, to the left, to the right, and to the left. So I turn my head different degrees each time, not looking at a different vertical target every time. So after we've turned our head right and left, we're going to tilt our neck up and then down. So our chin is going to go up and then down. Tilt your chin way back and then come down and chin towards your chest. Very nice. Now what we're going to do is we're going to tilt. So you're going to tilt from the bottom of your neck, tilt your left ear to your left shoulder, back into center, tilt your head to the right. So you notice my face is facing forward. These muscles are so tight. What happens sometimes is we turn when we tilt. So I want you to be very intentional about just tilting your head right, tilting it left. Excellent. So now what we're going to do is you're going to slide your chin out, tuck it back in. Slide your chin out, tuck it in. Out, in. Slide your head out, tuck it in. Sliding it out, tucking it back in. Upper body doesn't move, just the neck. All right, so we turn right and left. We're nodding up and down. We tilt to the right, tilt to the left. Now, what I want you to do is pretend that your nose is in pencil and you're going to draw a horizontal figure 8 with your nose. So keeping your body still, you go 3 8s in one direction and then you pause, then you go 3 8s in the opposite direction. And right now you're hearing a lot of cracking and popping. That's what's known as crepitus. And crepitus is just gases and airs that are stuck within the joint. So my message to you about the cracking and the popping is if it doesn't hurt, don't worry about it. Okay, so we've just done some wonderful exercises to warm your neck up. And next, we're going to start with the shoulder.